The concept of Hudood within the Islamic justice system refers to fixed punishments prescribed by Islamic law, Sharia, for certain serious offenses and acts deemed to be violations against the rights of God. Hudood serves as a deterrent framework, aiming to preserve order and morality within the community. The primary Hudood offenses typically include theft, adultery, false accusation of adultery, drinking alcohol, apostasy, and highway robbery. Each offense is associated with specific punishments intended to reflect the severity and nature of the crime committed. For instance, theft may lead to the amputation of a hand. Adultery can result in flogging or stoning, depending on additional circumstances, while false accusation might result in flogging. One important aspect of Hudood is its procedural rigor. In Islamic jurisprudence, the implementation of Hudood requires a stringent set of evidentiary standards. For example, the offense of adultery requires the testimony of 4 credible witnesses or a confession, safeguarding against false allegations and ensuring that only cases with clear and undeniable evidence are adjudicated. Hudood punishments are seen within Islamic jurisprudence as a last resort, designed not only to punish but to deter potential offenders through severe consequences. Notable within this context is the distinction made between personal sins, which remain between the individual and God, and offenses that breach public order or the rights of others, which necessitate legal intervention. While Hudood is a foundational component of Islamic judicial systems in certain countries, there is diversity and complexity in its application given the varied interpretations of Sharia across different cultures and sects within Islam. Some scholars and modern Islamic states opt for more rehabilitative approaches rather than strict enforcement, arguing for evolving interpretations to align with contemporary human rights standards. In conclusion, Hudood represents a critical element within the Islamic legal framework, embodying principles of justice, deterrence, and moral uprightness as understood within traditional Islamic thought. However, its application must be understood within the broader spectrum of Sharia, contemporary legal interpretations, and socio-cultural contexts that may influence its practical enactment.